Thank you for joining. It's been quite a while. I've been working on a few more projects. I just never had a chance to upload a video. But I thought I'd share this one because I'm totally in love with this Frida color range, and I made so many patterns, and I am showing you this one as well because I've used one of the pages, one of the large papers that comes in this kit. I'll put a link in the description, of course, as always, to create this bag. So basically what I did, I took a A4 piece of paper. I've used this fabric spray, but I think you can use also any repositional spray, not necessarily for fabric, and I sprayed it over the page, and then I stuck a piece of fabric on it, A4 size, slightly smaller, so there are no so it covered nearly completely. And I used here a satin, so I put the nice side of the fabric on top of the piece of paper. I run it through the printer, and then once it's printed, you just peel the fabric. You don't need to mirror the page because you print it as any other page you'd normally print. So I've created this bag to store this journal inside. I might make a second one for myself because it's really nice. So basically I attached another piece of fabric here to create this, and a piece of ribbon here too. And the actual journal come with like loads of pages. Probably with this one I went a little bit crazy with the colors and the patterns, and there is, I didn't have to worry about being it vintage or pastel or shabby chic. I could literally go wild with this. So it comes with a few large papers. This one I literally just folded into two to create a large cover, and then there are loads of pockets. It comes with envelopes and tags, and there's another luggage tag here, and a piece of card here that goes inside. I think this one I had to trim a bit the edges to stick this inside, so it fits inside. And there are loads of pockets and stamps, and I've created within the kit, there is also another book cover, a smaller one included, and it comes with more pattern papers you can use. I think that's an envelope. No, that's a paper, but there is an envelope from this style as well. Yeah, that's the one. And the pockets are included as well in the kit. And I've used one of this paper, I just folded it into two so it fits in. This pattern paper is also included in the kit, so I've used it to print on the back of this one, and then I've printed a few ones back to back, so it's all matching. And I've created, there is a large collage sheet which I've trimmed to create some pockets, and this is paper with a collage with a banknote. It's only recently I've discovered there is a Frida color banknote from Mexico, and I've added this little charm. And one of the papers I just created as a pocket, and probably out of everything that's my favorite pattern. And so basically this one is the same as this one, so I've printed it twice, once to include in the journal and one for the bag, and I've added this card here with her famous quote. And I tried to get as many face expressions as I could. So it's the tag here, this one, and a few more tickets here, and I've used this piece of card as a pocket as well, and this is it. Thank you so much for watching.